Dearest friend, I hope this letter finds you well. I've been waiting for your last reply. It's been 3 months already.
Ano yan? Letter? Hindi na uso yan.
Who are you? And excuse me, this is how we communicate. We pour our hearts in words. We patiently wait for their replies. It's so romantic.
Romantic, more like tragic. Imagine waiting for 3 months just to get a reply. But look oh, phone. With just one click, you can send message instantly. See this? This little device is one of the biggest communication tools in 21st century. With just your phone, you can text, call, send emails with anyone and everywhere. Unlike before, you don't need to wait for weeks or months just to get a reply because it happens in real time. It is easier, faster, and it connects people globally. ICT basically turned the world in a one small community. Bale, lahat instant, lahat accessible as long as may Wi-Fi ka. So tell me, why wait for months when you can get a reply in just a second? Look, oh, ang dali diba? And see, watch this. Oh, ayan, she already replied. Ikaw, ilang buwan ka maghihintay para lang sumagot yan?
Wow, that's really fast. But where's the effort? Where's the drama? Where's the excitement of waiting?
Effort? Sayang lang oras mo dyan. At dahil dyan, tuturuan kita kung paano gamitin.